Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add extra security into your WordPress website. If you see, like if I copy my WordPress website and type, let me open a private window and type like WP admin, then it will redirect to my login page. So I don't want to show like my login page. I just want to hide this one. And also if you if you copy my URL and go to like WP theme director website, then if I paste my website name and if I click on this experience with magic of like this button, then you'll see which theme and plugin I use. This website showing a user, like anyone can see like which theme and plugin I use on there. And also another idea or another system have, like if you go to this console or source, then you will see like if I click on this content option, then you'll see which theme I use. You're showing like newspaper. And if I click on this plugin, then I'll see which plugin I already use in my website is showing in there. So I don't want to show like this plugin and theme because I just to hide them, and I just also want to add a security plugin into my website. So in this video, I will cover in 3 steps. Like first, I will hide my WordPress admin panel, and second, I will hide our themes, and then I will add an extra plugins about like WordPress security. Okay. So let's go to our dashboard and hover on these plugins and click on add new button and just choose here WP hide. And then you'll see like you'll get 2 plugins. So you just need to install these 2 plugins. And also you just need to install another plugin. Its name is Itheme security. Just install this plugin. All right, so go to this here, like install it plugin button. Just click on here. All right, so scroll down and activate this one, like WPS hide login. Just activate this plugin. Scroll down and just click on this setting button, because this plugin helps us to hide our like admin panel, like just URL. Like if you see here this login URL, it's now website name /login. So I just type here my name, or I just type here my web YouTube channel name, like WP expert, and then I just click on this save changes button. And now if I try to log in this URL, like WP admin using this URL, let's see, go to this private window and paste here this URL, and let's click on this intro button and let's see what happened. And also, okay, so as you can see, this automatically redirects the 404 page. And if I also try to log in like WP login.php, just type enter and let's see what happened. Also try to go to like login page, login. All right. So as you can see, these are not finding out, like they are going to the 404 page. And also if you see here, they also go to like 404 page, and he also go to like 404 page. So now our WordPress admin panel URL is now secure. So let's go to like here the next option. This is to hide our WordPress like this theme. So go to again here like plugins and click on install it plugin, because we recently installed another plugin. Its name is WP hide. Okay. So here this WP hide and security enhancer, activate this plugin. All right, so scroll down and then you'll see this plugin successfully activated. And if you click on this, if you hover on there, like then you'll see some option. So you need to click on this rewrite button. Just click on this rewrite. And then we just need to change the path. Change the path, that means if you go to here, like let me show you. So go to the source. So basically this is our path. So we will change or replace this one. Okay. So let's go to here, and first we just need to change the theme. So type here template. So they're already given an example. Just copy this one and paste here and click on save. And go to the next option, like WP includes. And then type my includes. Here the example, just copy this one and paste here and click on save. Let's go to the next option. Its name is WP content. So go to there. And just copy this one, like example, and paste here. And also save this one. So let's go to this plugin option to hide all plugins. Just click on plugins. Then type here like apps and scroll down and click on save. You don't need to type in again and again like this name. You just need to type only on there the first one, and save it. So I think it's successfully done. So let's copy this URL and go to here, like WP theme director, and paste here our URL, and let's see what's happened. And also let's try to like go to this private window and type a website like this. Let's go to this website and let's see. Okay, so let's see, inspect, go to source. Then you'll see this are now hide. As you can see, apps and my content, and the my clothes, they are the like this templates. So this is not easy. Okay, so it's now hide, as you can see, all our rev places. Okay, and if you see here, they are showing like this website not using WordPress. That means our website is now secure, and people are not showing like which theme and plugin we're using into our website. So let's go to the next step. Its name is Itheme security, because it's so much important. So let's go to this hover, like go to this install plugin and scroll down. Here, activate this plugin, Itheme security. And now click on the setting button, like here, the option. Then you will see your all options are there. So when you're loading done, okay, so we just need to add this one, like enable this security and secure our website. So when it's done, then close it. Okay. And also you can scan your website to see is everything okay or not. Here the scan option. You can scan here. And also you can enable something here some way if you want. But we don't need to do anything else. As you can see, everything is okay, like clean. Show the details. Everything is okay now. Okay, I hope you understand like how we add this extra security into your WordPress website. And I hope this video helpful for you. If you like this video, just simply click on this like button. And if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe. And if you like deals, so please click my video description, because I already provide you some discount and deals. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you.